हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ रूपाली। और अगर आपको मेरे वीडियो में से ज़्ज़ वाली आवाज़ आ रही है ना, तो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट, बिकॉज मैं बहुत देर से फ़ैन ऑफ करके और एसी ऑफ करके वीडियो बना रही थी ताकि उसमें आवाज़ ना आए, बट आई वॉज लिटरली स्वेटिंग एंड मेरा पूरा मेकअप मेल्ट होने लगा था। सो आई फाइनली स्विच ऑन द AC. So I'm going to share my morning and evening skincare routine, and I will also be sharing few tips. Maybe it will help you. Just a tip for everyone. You have to choose the products according to your skin types. Like I have dry skin and I have issue with whiteheads, so I go for products which are highly moisturizing and hydrating and which don't clog my pores. Like those are my concern. If you are someone with oily skin type, you have to take care of that कि अगर आपको acne होता है, so you have to choose products according to your acne issues. If you are someone who has combination skin, you have to choose products according to that. And what I would say, if you are someone new to skincare na, so best thing you can do is on YouTube find YouTubers who have similar skin types like you. Like if you are someone who is oily, so you can watch skincare of Midul Sharma. If you are dry, you can watch my skincare video, and I can also help you a little bit with oiliness and other skin types, but I can't tell you from my experience, but for dry skin type I can share my experience ki what I feel of that product, that how it worked on me. And one more thing, skincare is very subjective, so it is not necessary कि जो मेरे लिए वर्क कर रहा है वो आपके लिए भी वर्क करेगा. And if you are a guy and if you think that you don't need skincare, you are really wrong. Everyone needs skincare. You have skin just like girls, and you can very easily use all those products जो कि moisturizer, toner, conditioner. No, don't use conditioner on your skin, please. Moisturizer, toner, serum, anything which is used on skin of a female can be used on a male. So please don't think you are a male and you don't need skincare and that you need different skincare. No, you can very easily use the same products. I am not sure about the face wash, but those serum, moisturizer and stuff you can very easily use on yourself. So जो लोग भी मुझे बोलते हैं ना कि please make videos for guys also, stay and watch this video. Because so as I wake up, the first thing I want to do is wash my face. But if you are a dry skin person, you don't really have to use a face wash, because you are a dry skin person and तुम्हारी skin पे oil release होना is very rare. So what I do is sometimes I avoid using a face wash because जो तुम्हारे स्किन पे है वो सिर्फ तुम्हारा नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर है. ओके, सो यू डोंट रियली हैव टू वॉश योर फेस. It's not मतलब wash your face in the sense you don't have to use any soap kind of a thing. So I sometimes use just a micellar water. I dry my face with a microfiber towel. It's not necessary to use a microfiber towel, but in case you are not using a microfiber towel, make sure whichever cloth or towel you are using, you don't drag your skin. You just tap that towel on your skin and remove the excess water, because if you are dragging there is a chance of wrinkles, so you don't want wrinkles, you have to avoid them. So that's what I do. I use a microfiber towel जो कि मुझे DMart में बहुत ही easily मिल गया था just for 250 rupees. After washing my face, I spray some water on my face. ये कोई भी कैसी बॉटल है छोटी सी जिसमें मैंने पानी डाल दिया है, and I spray some water. I like doing my skincare on my wet skin. After that, I use aloe vera gel. It is aloe vera gel from Captain Thug. I love this aloe vera gel. It's 99% pure moisturizing organic aloe vera gel, and इसमें कोई भी added fragrance नहीं है. इसके ingredients बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. You can totally skip on aloe vera gel, but I prefer using it because it takes care of your sunburn, and if redness है, कोई reaction हुआ है किसी और product का, तो it takes care of that. Some people prefer using the aloe vera gel from the plant directly. I don't do it because मैंने जितनी बार भी यूज़ किया है, I end up having few bumps and it just feels itchy. So that way I realized कि it doesn't suit me. So it is not necessary कि हर किसी को aloe vera gel directly from the plant suit करेगा. But if you are a beginner and starting your skincare, completely skip aloe vera gel. It is not necessary. Just wash your face, spray some water on your face and apply your moisturizer. That way ना जो water होता है वो hydrated रखता है skin को, and you lock that hydration with moisturizer. So that's a great thing if you are a dry skin person. One more tip, you should apply your skincare from thin to thick. Like first water, then your toner, then your serum, then your moisturizer. Like thin to thick, उससे क्या होता है कि everything gets into your skin and penetrates into your skin. अगर पहले ही thick layer आ जाएगी और उसके बाद thin layer होगी, तो thick layer उस thin layer को अंदर आने नहीं देगी. So you have to make sure that your skincare is from thin to thick. So the next thing I apply is this Pond's moisturizer, which is Superlight Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. So the thing is, I do not use a serum yet because this product has hyaluronic acid and it really works for me as a hyaluronic acid. ये product मैंने test करने के लिए खरीदा था. As it will get over, most probably I will get a serum which will be either hyaluronic acid or vitamin C. So I use this one because if it has hyaluronic acid, and I do feel topping this with a moisturizer, a thicker moisturizer makes my skin feel better. अगर मैं इसको सिर्फ इसको लगा लेती हूँ तो मेरी स्किन बहुत ड्राई फील होती है बिकॉज hyaluronic acid should be topped up with another moisturizer, okay, but not for everyone. मतलब in general hyaluronic acid should be topped up with another moisturizer, but this is a hyaluronic acid moisturizer, so supposingly moisturizer should not be topped up with any other moisturizer, but since मुझे dry feel होता है तो I make sure to top it up with the other Pond's moisturizer, which is Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh Feel for soft and glowing skin, vitamin E plus glycerin. So I top up this moisturizer with this moisturizer ताकि I can get the benefit of hyaluronic acid, and also this can keep my skin moisturized and lock everything in my skin. The last thing I put on my skin is a sunscreen, and it doesn't matter you're a guy or a girl or a beginner or anyone, do not forget to use your sunscreen. If you are young, start using it. If you're a teenager, start using a sunscreen. अब कुछ मत यूज़ करो, but do not forget to use a sunscreen because sunscreen will help you in a longer run. You won't have pigmentations. It will take care of a lot of your skincare issues. Sunscreen is a must. The sunscreen which I use is Lotus Herbal Sun Safe SPF 40. SPF 40 is good for India. And अगर आप घर में रह रहे हो because it is lockdown, you SPF 15 भी enough है. You don't need SPF 40. The one which I use is Lotus का Sun Protection Skin Lightening plus Mattifying. I think they are claiming skin lightening because इसका जो कलर है ना, it is skin in color, which is very close to my skin tone. So that is a good thing कि मैं इसको यूज़ करती हूँ ना. So ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेरे स्किन को मुझे फाउंडेशन की उतनी नीड नहीं होती. मीडियम कवरेज टाइप का काम करता है, मीडियम टू लो कवरेज. बट आई डोंट केयर. मतलब सनस्क्रीन शुड नॉट say lightning. I don't know why they did this. I most probably this won't be my next purchase. ये सिर्फ एक ही बार का purchase था, try किया मैंने. I don't have any problem with the sunscreen. Yeah, it does good protection, but lightning I do not agree with it. And so the last thing I put on my skin, which is my lips, is a lip balm. The lip balm which I use is Baby Lips ka lip balm, which is cherry or some, yeah, Berry Crush lip balm. So this is all I do for my morning skincare routine. So for my evening skincare routine, since I have used sunscreen, it's not necessary कि मैं हर दिन makeup use करती हूँ. I use makeup only on those days when I am doing making a video. Whenever I'm using makeup, or even if मैंने जिस दिन sunscreen use किया है, make sure you are double cleansing your skin. Because sunscreen can get into your pores and you can end up having acne or pimples. So make sure you're double cleansing. For double cleansing, I use Garnier का micellar water. It is a very good micellar water. ये कुछ 175 rupees का है for 100 ml, which is great. You know what? It lasts you really really long. Take a cotton or a microfiber cloth, जो भी आपके पास है. Pour this on that and आराम से निकालो, and बहुत ही अच्छा product है ये. Use this one. The face wash which I use is Nivea Milk Delight Face Wash Honey. It is specially for dry skin people, and it is the best face wash for dry skin people I have used till now. So this way I did my double cleansing. Okay, after double cleansing, I completely dry my face. At night time, I do not prefer spraying water on my skin because I am going to use a toner. Okay, let me tell you this thing, not everyone doesn't need a toner. पहले toner was really hyped in the market that you have to use a face wash, a toner and a moisturizer. But the main purpose of toner is to balance your pH level of the skin, जो कि आपका फेस वॉश डिस्टर्ब कर देता था. बट राइट नाउ मार्केट में बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से फॉर्मुलेटेड फेस वॉश आते हैं, सो यू डोंट really need a toner. Okay, so after washing my face, I completely dry my skin and I first put a lip balm on my skin, because I'm telling you, I put a lip balm on my skin before doing my skincare during the night, because I'm going to use a salicylic acid based toner on my skin. And salicylic acid, glycolic acid, AHA, BHA, PHA, these chemicals are drying for your lips. And अगर वो lips के rims पे भी आया ना तो तुम्हारे लिप्स ड्राई होंगे. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू पुट अ थिक लेयर ऑफ लिप बाम, एनी लिप बाम विच एवर यू यूज़ बिफोर योर स्किन, बिफोर यूजिंग योर एसिडिक टोनर विच इज़ एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स वाले टोनर, सो दैट दे डोंट गेट ऑन योर लिप्स और उनको ड्राई ना कर. रात के टाइम आई प्रेफर यूजिंग अ लिप बाम विच डजेंट रियली हैव फ्लेवर, फ्रेगरेंस and any kind of color, which is Vaseline का original 5 रुपये वाला lip balm. And after applying my lip balm, I use my toner. I use a salicylic toner. मैंने इसका review already करके रखा है. It is Dermdog का blemish cleansing face toner which has salicylic acid with milk protein. So I am not using this for balancing the pH level of my skin. I am using this to get rid of whiteheads on my skin and जो 1-2 spots हैं उनके लिए. एंड इन केस यू ऑल्सो हैव ब्लैक हेड्स तो गिव दिस अ ट्राई. मैंने इसका रिव्यू ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो में किया है. ऑल्सो मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर्स का भी रिव्यू किया है. आई विल लिंक ऑल दोज थिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, और यहाँ पे आई होगा यहाँ या यहाँ, वहाँ आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा. पर पहले ये वीडियो पूरा देखो, उसके बाद जाके उनका रिव्यू देखना. सो आई यूज़ दिस टोनर. आई टेक लाइक 5 to 7 स्प्रेज, पुट इट ऑन माई स्किन. अच्छे तरीके से वो ऐसे जस्ट स्प्रेड कर देती हूँ. एंड मैंने एक जगह पे पढ़ा है कि इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू यूज़ अ टोनर विथ कॉटन, बिकॉज आई फील कॉटन पे बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट रह जाता है. द बेस्ट वे टू यूज़ अ टोनर इज़ विथ योर हैंड्स. सो आई जस्ट स्प्रे सम ऑन माई फेस और माई हैंड एंड जस्ट अप्लाई इट. सिंस इट इज़ एसिड, ये आँख में जा सकता है और कोई भी स्किन केयर आँख में अच्छा नहीं है. ठीक है, आँख के बाहर रखते हैं सब कुछ बाहर. एंड आई टॉप इट अप विथ द सेम पॉन्ड्स हाइलुरोनिक एसिड वाला मॉइस्चराइज़र, एंड देन द अदर पॉन्ड्स मॉइस्चराइज़र विच इज़ विटामिन ई वाला. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, if you got to know some new things from this video, do share it with your friends. Like this video. If you don't like it, give the thumbs down. It is okay, मतलब सह लेंगे. Please comment down below what you feel of this video and what other kind of videos you want me to make. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Follow me on my Instagram. I am more active there. No, actually हर जगह मैं बराबर ही एक्टिव हूँ. मुझे हर जगह और एक्टिव होने की ज़रूरत है. So follow me on my Instagram. I'll meet you in my next video. Stay at home, stay safe, and bye-bye.